First, measure your opening prior to ensure proper fit. What you have: 4 wall protectors, 4 stickers, 4 threaded spindle rods, 2 Y-bolts, 1 spanner, 2 anti-collision grooves. Then, according to the width of the opening, you can choose the appropriate extension to assemble and install reinforcement grooves at the joints. After attaching the 3M sticker to the wall cup, install the 4 bolts. This is a pressure-mounted baby gate. You don't need to punch holes in the wall or door frame. You only need to turn 4 bolts until the gap in the door lock is reduced enough to close and open normally.